Little song called Justice and Justice don't play. Justice. Some people are telling us how now come out to not the good. Some people are telling us how the people now come out to not the good. Put up and make them sooner. Tell them upon this rock. Yes, you build your church. No weapon.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. So on behalf of Mr. Justice, the President, he wants you to know how Mr. Badman, Mr. Gangster, Mr. Murderer, Mr. Gunman, Mr. Rapist, change your mindset. You're entering into a new season of your life. I'm going to encourage you, man, put them something there down for you to make that conscious decision. Change your mindset. If you're going to change your behavior pattern, you must first change your mindset. You're entering into a new season of your life. So you cannot carry the old things from the old season. It's not going to do you no good. So I want to encourage you, man. You don't have to continue to be running from the police and the government and from your own brethren them. We after you to kill you. You don't have to continue on that pathway. You have enough time to sit down, man, and just rethink and say, yo, this not work. What is made upon, man? A foolishness. And for those of you who have children, sons and daughter, you now have to rethink that. What's the pattern? What's the example you're leaving for them to follow? So, Mr. Gunman, whosoever you are, man, just leave the bad attitude, the negativity, the badness, man, behind and walk into your new season. Cross over into your new season. Cross over being a better person, stronger person, a positive person, someone who is looking up to you, is depending on you, man. But you got to change your mindset. You got to change the way you view things and do things. All right? So I just hope and trust that this message will reach somebody. So you can now just leave them things there behind. It not work, man. Not work. And if you've been trying it for years and not work, it's not going to work again. Because you cannot continue to do the same negative things and getting the same negative result and expect it to change. No, man, you have to counteract negative with positive. All right? God bless you. Just be strengthened. You're going to be all right. All right? This is Apostle Marlene Sterling. And so it's going to work. You're going to be all right. Again, this is on behalf of Mr. Justice, the President. Continue to tune in and listen to him. God bless you.
Little song called Justice and Justice don't play. Woo! Woo!
I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to it. You just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
It is what it is. story. Without us, there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to wait. You just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
When the song called Justice and Justice don't play.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.